Hello, Afrikaners. Good day, everybody. So I'm so glad you joined me for this short video. Hallo, hoe gaan dit? Baie van julle het gedink as julle hier na die FSA toe kom, gaan julle een van hierdie pragtige groot blind trokke ry. It is not going to happen. And why? Because there had been so many accidents where people that actually had not had visas from California made accidents that actually was fatal for American citizens. So the federal government has put their foot down to protect American citizens. So now you can no longer get a commercial driver's license until you have your green card. So that is going to take a while. So commercial driving in Texas, a commercial driver's license, CDL, that you legally drive big trucks, buses, and commercial vehicles, school buses, trash trucks. One of the most common pathways into well-paying jobs is doing exactly trucking, logistics, bus driving, and more in Texas. You must go now through a multi-step process that includes a learner permit, testing, medical qualification, and officially earning your CDL through the Texas Department of Public Safety. So it's not so easy. And again, you can't do it now until you have your green card. Now, it says, important new federal state rule 2025. As of September 29, 2025, Texas no longer issues new CDLs or commercial learner permit to refugees, asylum seekers, DACA recipients. This came after a new federal rule restricting non-domiciled CDLs, meaning these groups cannot start the CDL process or renew their CDL, CLP in Texas right now. And that is because of Trump's administration that wants to protect Americans and put Americans first. So if you are not a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, a green card holder, you cannot get a Texas CDL at this time. Now, laws change all the time. It may change with the next administration. This affects people on work visas also. So even if you're on a H-2A, what you need to do if you want to get a CDL in Texas. Now, let's imagine that you've been here 12 months as a refugee and now you applied for your green card, right? And so now you can actually go ahead and start the process to work on your commercial driver's license. To even begin the CDL process, the Department of Public Safety, DPS, require the following. A valid driver's license. You must first hold a regular Texas driver's license. Number 2, they'll need a social security number. You have a social security number that DPS can verify electronically. If DPS can't verify it, you cannot get a permit or license in Texas. Proof of identity and lawful presence. You must show identity and lawful presence. You must show identity, lawful presence for citizens, a birth certificate or a U.S. passport. Lawful permanent residents need their green card. Proof of residency. You have to show proof that you live here. Typically, that is something connected to your address. So that will be like your utilities, your gas, or a lease agreement. So it is not just any mail piece, something that has a, that's attached to your property. Again, utility bills, lease agreement. And then a DOT, Department of Transportation medical exam. You have to go through a medical examination or testing. Before testing, that means your theory test for the permit. Before testing, you must pass a Department of Transportation medical exam to make sure you are physically fit to drive commercial vehicles. Yeah, your eyesight has to be good and, and so forth. So the step-by-step CDL process. Here is the typical journey from zero all the way to getting your commercial driver's license in Texas. Study and prepare. Get the Texas CDL handbook in study material, commercial rules, general knowledge, air brakes, endorsements. Some people study on their own, others choose a training program. It's always better to go through a licensed registered training program. Okay, number 2, Commercial Learner's Permit, CLP. Apply for a CLP at the Department of Public Safety. You need a valid driver's license, social security, proof of residency, and lawful presence. Take the written exam, general knowledge, plus the required sections. You must hold a CLP, Commercial Learner's Permit, at least 14 days before the skill test. So that's the practical driving. Entry-level driver training, ELDT. A federally required training course that includes classroom, behind-the-wheel instruction. This training is required before you can take the CDL skill test. So it is, again, you need to take this through an actual license registered office, okay? So you need to do the entry-level driver training, ELDT. Then comes your skill test. That's just driving. Once you have your CLP and completed the ELDT, you schedule the driving skill test, pre-trip vehicle inspection, basic vehicle control. These are the things that they're going to focus into. Road driving test. If you pass, you earn your commercial driver's license in Texas. The approximate cost of this costs vary by training program, but typically estimates include Department of Transportation medical exam can be between $40 and $160. It ranges and it varies by clinic. CLP test fee at the Department of Public Safety right now is $25 per test, but you may have to retake it and it can change. Training programs. Now you need to get the training, and the training programs cost anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000 depending on the school, the course, and the length. Some carriers offers paid training contracts. Then skill test, DPS fees, variable Department of Public Safety application fee scheduling. Many programs bundle training and testing, and some employers offer paid training. You work for them for a set time after the training, a little or no upfront tuition cost. It's important to know that all these rules can be different from state to state. So I live in Texas, and so I discuss how it is in Texas. Places in Austin that offer CDL training. Here are some schools that you can contact or look up in Austin, Texas, where you can get CDL training, Class A or B, local CDL schools. CDL Driving School, that's the name of it. ABC Driving School offers general driver training. Changing Lanes CDL School, they offer CDL programs. Simple CDL School, CDL, that's the name of it, Simple CDL.
Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be